This Learning Byte covers PythonEZ basics. My name is Stephen Elliott. I'll be your host. This Learning Byte teaches you some of the command line basics used in PythonEZ. Load the Python compiler by typing Python 2.7. Next, we need to load the libraries we're going to use. We're going to use pprint, so we're going to import pprint here. We're going to also import the PythonEZ libraries by doing the import device here for it. From here we establish our connection to our Firefly SRX VM, which is 192.168.2.193. We're using the user lab with the password of Juniper123, which is a user we've set up on the Firefly SRX VM. The dev.open will then open the connection, and as we can see, we do have a connection to the device. And we're going to pull down some information from its connection. We're going to use dev.fax, and we're just going to pull the version of Junos that it's using, which is a 12.1 x46-d20.5 version. In the Python shell, to see the output from a show command, we can use print dev.cli. In this case here, we're doing the show interface terse for gigi 0/0/0. And once again, we can see the output from that. In this example here, I've issued the print dev.cli, in which case the command is incomplete because I didn't add on the closing parentheses, so therefore it hangs, and I do a Control-C to interrupt the processing. In which case I reissue the command with correction here, and then I can see set command output here because I added on the pipe display set to the show configuration interface gigi 0/0/0 command. The dev.cli command that was used in this example here is great for playing around and checking information about your SRX, but it's not used in scripting. Junos, the EZ-Python, has a comprehensive and complete API, and that allows you from having to use that command and doing what they call screen scraping. The JNPR EZ-NC library comes with utility libraries, and one of these is called config. The config utilities enables you to make changes and to see differences like with show pipe compare. To import the config utilities from the Junos EZ libraries, we simply do from jnpr.junos.utils.config import config. Here we've created a variable called CU and associate it to the device. To check the association, we just type in the name of the variable, which is CU. To get a better understanding of the current config utilities, we can use the Python built-in help command. Here we have help config, which is the name of our utility. We hit enter, and from here we can see the different methods that are included in the config utility. We have commit, commit check, diff, which then will tell us the difference between the running and the candidate configuration. We have the standard load command, lock. We have print diff, known as pdiff here, which will print the difference between. We have rescue, rollback, and unlock. You can go and explore this and get more details in this file. To exit out of the help file, you just use the letter Q for quit.
Visit the Juniper Education Services website to learn more about courses. View our full range of classroom, online, and e-learning courses. Learning paths, industry segment and technology-specific training paths. Juniper Network's certification program, the ultimate demonstration of your competence. And the training community, from forums to social media. Join the discussion.